Alright guys, welcome back. Got us another Prizm retail. I don't know what they call it, retail no huddle, but it's a retail one. See if we can't find something good. Gotten a few cards out of there, like our CMC checkerboard. Not sure what else we pulled out of there. Can't remember, I've only done one of them. So let's get after it and see what we can't pull. Two piles here. Let's just start ripping. That way it doesn't get so long on us. Oops. Alright. Kid reporter. Get rid of that. Knox. Smith. Sweat. Derrick Henry on the firework. Green firework. Sutton. Scanling. Debo. Smith on the base. We're not even going to try and sort these. We're just going to rip and hope for the best. Usually I try to... Oh, got a checkerboard. Usually, remember, I try to separate them all out. Luke. Hunter. Hodgins. And who do we got? It's a Jag. Tyson Campbell on the first checkerboard. One down. Last time I think we pulled three. I remember. Murray. T-Law. Gino. Dorian Thompson Robinson. Base rookie. Sweet to find a whole bunch of checkers. Oh, another base with a kid reporter. It's always weird. London. Phillips. Eric Carr. Trey Lance. Most of the time the kid reporters have something good behind them. So, let's see. Oh, two in a row. Brutal. Garrett. Taylor. Dugan. Abenconda. Two in a row. Killing me. Just killing me. Ooh, there's our checkerboard. Got two. Singleton. Ransom. Winfield Jr. And it's a giant. Not a rookie. Debo. Kayvon Debo. Put that over there. Try and spread them out. Hopefully start getting some more hits here. Clark Jr. Higby, Mac Jones, Jackson Smith, and G-Ball on the base. Slide that pile off to the side there. Starts to pile up pretty quick. Kid quarter. Gonna be another good card. What's a green? Looks like an emergent possibly. Goff. Favre. Percy. Emergent. We got a Lion. St. Brown. Green emergent. Green cracked ice. Chase. Hamel Jr. Penny. Tank Bigsby. Bigsby on the base rookie. Oh, got a silver. Come on, be a big name. There you go. Marvin Jones. Payne. Who we got? Redskin. John Riggins. Silver. Of course it had to be an old one. Why not? Throwback. Cooks. Mac. Pickens. Zach Harrison on the base rookie. Alright, second pile here. Thicker one. What we got? Green cracked. Looks like a prismatic. CeeDee Lamb. Mike Williams, Mayfield. It's rookie Jackson Smith. G-Ball on the cracked ice. Prismatic. Gabe Davis, Terry, Barkley, Dotson on the base rookie. Come on, I want to see a big name. checkerboard before we're done. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh, another base kit reporter. Williams, Bolton, Brooks, Ricky Williams. Miles Sanders, Osborne, Debo, Banks on the rookie. Got something green going on. Cracked ice. Baker, Dyson Campbell, Jamal Adams, Panthers. Oh, it's not a rookie. Adam Thielen. On the cracked. Green cracked ice. Prizm. Wilson. Ramsey. Winston. Wicks. Come on. Where's our checkerboard? Oh, another silver. Come on, be a big one. Higgins. Waddle. Howell. And Chiefs. It's a Sky Moore, I bet. Yep, I could tell by that helmet. Sky Moore on the silver. Would have been nice to have a Patty Mahomes. But, can't always get what you want, right? Andrews. Pittman Jr. Pickett. McDonald. 4 packs left. Come on. Come on, kid reporter. We got a firework back there, it looks like. Yep. Green cracked ice firework. Hurst. Jefferson. Horace Jr. And a Patty Mahomes. Green cracked ice. Would have been cool. See a gold or something like that. I think I had a pink, maybe. While we're wishing, right? I'm not sure if you can even pull them in there. Williams. Gary. Riddick. Musgrave on the base. 2 packs left. This one feels thinner. Yep. Let's say 1 hit. Maybe it's our last checkerboard. Sanders. Sewell. Wilson. Yaya. Diaby. Alright. Come on. Give us another checkerboard. Should be. Shouldn't say should be. Usually is. There it is. Got 3. Got Joey B leading the way. Eckler. Oh, come on. Be blue. Oh, it's blue, but it's a lion. Is it a rookie? It's a rookie. Who is it? Should look at the helmet and try and guess. It's a Hendon Hooker. Hendon Hooker. Nice. There we go. Alright, guys. Well, that does it for that box. Oh no, not terrible. Got our 3 checkers, but shucks, just couldn't pull out that one. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.